Hi! In front of me is Samsung B2710 Solid, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, select Menu and Organizer. Now tap on Alarms and choose this left button to create one. Over here you can set up an hour. Label your alarm however you wish to. I will go with Work. Choose Repeat and tap on Once, Daily or Weekly. I will go with Daily. Over here, select Melody, Vibration or Melody and Vibrations by selecting one of those options. Scroll down, choose Tone. You can go with radio or sound from your device. I will go with Sounds. Select the best one, like Postman, by tapping on the middle button. And over here, you can select Active or Deactive if you wish to turn off your alarm. I will go with Active though and choose Save by clicking on this left button, and now as you can see my alarm was successfully added. You can edit it by tapping on the middle button and making your changes. Then choose Save one more time. You can also delete it by selecting Options and choosing Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!